Hi, welcome to Nomis Academy. This time, we'll still be dealing with trigonometry, but subtopic sine rule. So let's get into the business. Trigonometry. So, sine rule. Now, what is sine rule and what is it saying? Sine rule is also known as the law of sine. So, and sine rule, okay, let me write it first. Sine rule states that for any triangle of sides A, B, C with corresponding angles angle A, B, C, comma A, all sine A is equals to B, all sine B is equal to C all over sine C. So this is what sine rule is saying. It's saying that for any triangle of side ABC, that is ABC, that is the side of the triangle are labeled with small letter, with corresponding angle A, angle B, angle C, that is the angles are labeled with capital letters. Let's see the diagram of a triangle. So looking at this triangle now, let's say we have angle A, angle B, angle C. These A, B, C are meant for these angles. This angle, meaning that angle B is 90 degrees, and then we have one angle here and we have another angle here. So angle A, angle B, angle C. So if I would label the sides of this triangle now, I will label it in accordance to their corresponding angle. This is opposite to angle A, so it will now be small letter A, call it side A. Because this is opposite angle B, so this will be small letter B. And because this is opposite angle C, this will be small letter C. So sine rule is saying that for you to tell the relationship between the angles and the sides of this triangle, A or A sine A is equal to B sine B and is equals to C all over sine C. So this is equal for anything that must happen in any triangle regarding sides and angle. So there are conditions for using this formula to solve problems in trigonometry. What are the case? Because we have 4 parameters that can be used at a time. Are you getting it now? Or just like we have 6 parameters, A, B, C, sine A, sine B, sine C. So we will need at least 3 parameters to solve for others. Otherwise, this might not be used immediately. Or just think of using Pythagoras theorem or using Sokatua or Choshakao, then we'll get 1 point, then we'll now begin to use sine rule. But before sine rule, before these formulas can be used, A all over sine A equal to B all over sine B equals to C all over sine C, it must be that the 3 of the parameters are given. And what do we mean by the 3 of the parameters? Either we are given 2 sides and an angle, or two angles and a side, then we can calculate the other side or the other angle. Let's solve some examples on sine rule. Example number one, find, find, find the side corresponding to angle 45 degree in the triangle. And what is the triangle below? So this is the triangle below. Find the side corresponding to angle 45 degree in the triangle below. So looking at it, this is angle 45 degree as indicated. So I'll state out my given parameters. Given that, so going into the solution now, please. Given that small letter A is to be found, right? Small letter B is given to be 5 centimeter. So capital letter B is 90 degree, and then capital letter A is 45 degree. So I have to tell the relationship between A and B, right? So I can then come here and say B all over sine B is equals to A all over sine A. Then I will make the unknown the subject of the formula, that is making small letter A the subject of this formula. So that becomes when we cross multiply, we will have sine A multiplied by small letter B equals to small letter A multiplied by sine capital letter B. So to make A the sort of formula, I will divide both sides by sine B, sine B. So this cancels this. Then I can now tell that A is equals to sine 45 degree multiplied by 5 all over sine 90 degree. So second example says that find the corresponding angle to the shortest side of the triangle below. So when we look at the triangle, one side is 5 centimeter, the other side 4 centimeter, then the third side 3 centimeter. That means this 3 centimeter is the shortest side. So for me to calculate the angle opposite this, so I'm looking for this angle now, angle that is opposite to the what? To the side 3 centimeter. That is the corresponding angle. So you can see that in this case, angles are labeled with QRS, meaning that it's not necessarily be A, B, C. It could be any letter. Are you getting it now? So it's just that the letter that we label an angle should be a capital letter. So let's get into the solution. Let's get into the solution. So we'll say the given parameters are given that capital letter S is unknown, but small letter s is 3 centimeter. So we are given angle R. So we'll take that R now. Capital letter R equal to 60 degree and small letter r is equal to 4 centimeter. So for me to find the angle corresponding to the shortest side, that is small letter s. So what I'll just do is small letter s all over sine capital letter S is equals to small letter r all over sine capital letter R. So to make capital letter S the subject of the formula, so when we cross multiply, sine capital letter S multiplied by R is equals to sine capital letter R multiplied by small letter s. So divide both sides by small letter r, small letter r. This cancel this, so sine capital letter s is equals to sine capital letter r, that's sine 60. Sine 60 multiplied by small letter s is 3 all over small letter r is 4. So that will give us sine capital letter S is equals to sine 60 sine 60 is equal to 0.87. So this is 0.87 multiplied by 3 all over 4. Let's go to the next page. Sine S is equals to 0.87 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. So when you multiply this by 321, I'll have 1 plus 2, 24 plus 2, 26, 2. So that will be 2.61 divided by 4. So 2.61 divided by 4, 2.61 divided by 4. That's 2.61 divided by 4 is 0.2. We say sine S is equals to 0.6525. So we divide both sides by sine so that we find the inverse of sine. So cancel that. So angle S is equals to sine inverse of 0.6525. So find sine inverse. So take your shift, say sine 0.6525. So the 0 40%. So our capital letter S is equals to 40.73 degree. So the angle capital letter S is equals to 40.73 degree. I hope you understood everything we did in this video. If you need to watch it again, take your time, watch it again, and get everything rooted in your memory. Bye bye. See you in the next video.